Hey guys, I'm just kind of working and I just felt really motivated to kind of like get this out there is do something that you love to do. I mean, I can't even stress it enough. I have had so many jobs in my life and I have had definitely careers where I was in the wrong job. It wasn't the money. I was making a ton of money. I just absolutely hated what I did every single day. And I would get anxiety going there, and I just knew that there was something more for myself, and I couldn't find what it was right away. And it was a struggle. And I'm just kind of saying, like, I think number one, I think you just have to go through life and like experience things and know that everything happens for a reason and everything is flowing the way it's supposed to flow. But I do think a big part of what I see where people get stuck is just they don't take action. They want to do something, or they want to even try something. I've tried tons of things that didn't work out. I invested money into things and I don't do anything having to do with that career or that path or that choice that I initially thought would maybe be the thing. But so I think being open to trying, being open to taking action, not letting the fear of failure kind of get in you, for me, it wasn't failure, it was success, not letting the fear of success really stop me from going after something that I really wanted and knowing that I could handle it and knowing that I deserved it. I think a big part of it is you just got to work on yourself. I mean, what I do for a living, I help people in all areas of life, whether it's relationships or career or finances or money or friendships or, finding your purpose. It really has to do with your own self. It really has to do with being able to take care of yourself and know what it means to be mentally and emotionally healthy and finding your purpose and finding your happiness. And you can't really find that stuff until you know who you are. And you can't also find that until you let go of any fears or worries and just live freer. And I'm telling you, when you do something that you're meant to do, and I heard Eric Thomas say this the other day, and the minute he said it, I was like, oh my God, it's so true, is first of all, when you do what you're meant to do, the money comes. You know what I mean? And let's be honest, like money is a factor. We need money to live. And everyone has a different idea as to the type of life that they want to live. And money won't give you the happiness. We all know that. We see plenty of people, celebrities, and they have everything anyone would ever want. The fame, the money, people thinking they're amazing. And you can have all of that and still have that emptiness inside. So it goes deeper than that. But heck, being able to take a nice trip or buy something for yourself or accomplish something or financially be stable and not having to stress or worry about that, that's what we all want. Like, if we're just completely real, transparent, we all want that. And the money comes. And you can have that financial freedom and you can have anything you've ever wanted for yourself if you just work on yourself. So I hope in some way that inspires someone to take action, to go after something that they really want, to just try. I mean, hell, just try. And when you try though, you got to give 100%. You can't give 50% and say, well, I tried and didn't work out. No, you didn't put everything that you have inside of you into this. So if you do something, do it at 100% and then see if that's the thing. And then it still may not feel right. It may not be the thing, and that's totally fine. Then at least okay, that isn't the thing, and it's leading me more towards what is the thing for me. Be open to failing, be open to not having all the answers, and trust that life's bringing you where you want to be. So I hope that helps someone out there. I'll see you guys next time.